First, open the Roblox app on your mobile device. If you don't have it, download it from the App Store. Log into your Roblox account. Make sure you have the right credentials ready. Next, tap on the Robux icon, usually found at the bottom of your screen. It's time to select how many Robux you want. Choose your desired amount. Remember, more Robux means more fun in your games. Now, proceed to checkout. Make sure your payment method is linked, whether it's a credit card or a gift card. Finally, confirm your purchase. Then watch your Robux count rise as the fun begins. Congratulations! You now have Robux to spend on games, accessories, and more. Explore new games and discover exciting items in the Avatar shop. The possibilities are endless. Use your Robux wisely. Engage with your favorite games and enhance your experience. Don't forget to check for special deals and limited time offers in the shop. And that's it. You've mastered buying Robux on mobile. Happy gaming! Remember, Robux is your key to unlocking limitless fun in Roblox. Enjoy every moment!